I took a loan and clear also. Still, they are torturing me and sending blackmailing messages to my contact list and asking money and telling that I have taken a loan. So, what is the permanent solution to come out from their trap and to remove my contact list and delete the data so that they will stop messaging? I'm not aware of, like, just for 7 days they have given me a loan, and on the fifth and sixth day they are started calling and saying that we will morph your images if you don't pay on time, and whatever money I had gone in their hefty interest rollover, now still they are harassing me. There are some loan apps like Takapot, Cash Kingdom, Credit Party, Lightning Rupee, Last Taka, Cash wallets are there, Loan Planet, Touch Rupee, PT Cash. लाइक दे पीपल आर गेटिंग इनटू अ ट्रैप जहाँ पे कि ये आपके कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट को फ़ोन करने के नाम पे, फ़ोटो मॉफ करने के नाम पे, आपकी न्यूड इमेजेस को या डाटा या गैलरी हैक करने के नाम पे। आप इनसे कैसे बच सकते हैं, आपको अपने बचाव में क्या करना है जिससे कि आप इन चाइनीज़ 7 डेज़ इंस्टेंट लोन ऐप, जो कि एक तरीके से स्टॉक लोन ऐप हैं जो कि इस तरीके से फ्रॉड करते हैं। लोन अगर आपने नहीं भी लिया, केवल ऐप इंस्टॉल किया, अपना डिटेल सबमिट किया, उसके बावजूद भी ब्लैकमेलिंग कॉल स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। आपने रीपे कर दिया फिर भी ब्लैकमेलिंग मैसेजेस अलग अलग नंबर से, न्यू रुपी के नाम पे, कैश टीएम के नाम पे, मनी पॉकेट के नाम पे, कैश पॉकेट के नाम पे, लोन प्लेनेट के नाम पे, टका पॉट लोन ऐप के नाम पे, लास्ट टका लोन ऐप के नाम पे आपको मैसेजेस आते रहेंगे, पैसों की डिमांड करते रहेंगे। अब इस ट्रैप से कैसे बचना है? Because many people are there, those who message us, sir, we have not taken any loan, even we have paid to them, still they are messaging and to our contact list, calling them or messaging me on my WhatsApp number, sending me vulgar images, telling me that we are having all your contact list, and if you don't pay we are going to send message to all your contact list. In that situation, what you have to do, complete solution our lawyer is going to provide you, so that you don't have to worry about their harassment, torture, blackmailing. What are the preventive steps you have to take in this matter, how you can come out from their trap, where you are supposed to raise a complaint. Complete solution our lawyer will provide you. Just WhatsApp us the name of the app and your problem and get a complete solution. Please don't click to any unknown link, please don't pay to them on any link, please do not install any fake app, please keep your phone and data safe. In case you get into a trap, contact us, we are there to help.